The first project up for Fairview Elementary will be the touchdown paper football board.
My name is Blake Reinbold.
My name is Max Marinello.
My name is Adam Eberlin.
And I am Rory Keating.
And this is our project, Touchdown Paper Football.
Yeah.
All right. So our design was a large football stadium made of cardboard with paper footballs. It is about 2 or 3 feet long and about 2 feet wide. There was a scoreboard that never came to be, but in the future we would add that to the design. In the stadium, there are big stands with lots of confetti as people.
How to play. 1. Pick up the paper footballs and bring one to the end of the field. 2. Use one hand to hold it at the tip in the red circle. 3. Use the other hand to try to flick it into the field post. Each time you make it, you get 2 points. If you are lucky and make it, you can get to go again until you miss. 5. Once you miss, the next person goes. Play an even number of original turns. Extra turns for scores don't count. And compare your score. The person with the most points wins. If you want to make things easier, grab a friend to retrieve the footballs for you, but be sure to let them have a turn too.
The base is complete. We built the stadium out of cardboard. Our teacher was absent, so the nurse said we were only allowed to use tape with our substitute. It held together, but it was a little unsteady. We made a field, an end zone, and it stands for the crowds.
Here's a closer look at the finished field goals. They are made from putting straws together. We made changes to the design a little by the end of the project and made it to 3 field goals instead of 4. You also see the start of the stadium lights in the bottom right corner.
Here we are painting the field green inside the stadium. We used multiple coats to make it darker. Next will be the white lines and the crowd in the stadiums. We are using a mix of colors, white, gray, and black for behind the crowds in the bleachers.
Problems and solutions. Problem: goalposts falling. Solution: glue and tape together instead of just one. Problem: hot glue not sticking in places. Solution: combine with tape to hold it together to stick better. Problem: tape didn't hold paint well. Solution: we used multiple coats to try and make it stay better. Problem: paint going in the wrong places. Solution: be more careful and listen to instructions. Communicate with one another better to keep things more neat. Problem: bad design. Solution: brainstorms to make improvements. Teamwork over arguing.
After a few months, we had our final product. We revised this a little bit after testing to make improvements.
Right. Oh. So like this. Well, I made zero really, 'cause I didn't.
The second project for Fairview